What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali Shassaman, and today is a very special day. So today is my 30th birthday. Wow, 30 years old. And with this whole pandemic and everything like that, it's just like you can't really do much. So just thankful and grateful that for the people that are around me, and just another day and another year. So let's get to it. So today we have a gift from my wonderful wife Marcel, Milad, Susan, and Natasha. So thank you guys, really appreciate it, but I have no idea what it is, so let's see. Let's get to it. Kind of excited. Shaking. All right. Another box. Got some micro USB stick. What is this? I have no clue what this is. OSMO action chart. No way. No freaking what? Holy crap, it's the OSMO action camera. It's just like the GoPro, but better. No freaking way. Holy crap. Thank you guys. Oh my god. Let's take a deeper dive of what's in here. All right, so let's take a look at what's in here. What's in this plastic bag? Lots of stuff in here. All right, we got a micro SD USB 3 card reader. Okay. Oh, I guess you could put the micro SD in here and put it in your laptop to upload your video photography stuff, camera and videos. Oh, nice! It actually came with a micro SD card. Nice. So I don't have to go out and buy one. Thank you. And I guess these are stuff to like plant it with. Screw it on and stuff. Guess you can mount the OSMO action on this and put it on stuff. Put it like this to tighten it and everything. So got a couple of those, which is pretty awesome. Lens filter kit. What's in here? Oh, nice. What? With 6 different lenses. Sick. Let's go. Alright. This little mountain station, another one. I guess it's like for the bike or something. Looks to be. And I believe this is for like a selfie stick or something. You put it right here. Let's take a look at what's in here. Well, I guess you could put it like this. And to unlock. Oh, nice. This looks like to be like a selfie stick. You put it on top here. That's pretty neat. That's pretty actually really cool. Definitely like that. Oh, don't want to break anything now. Oh, nice. This looks to be like the tripod. What? Damn, this thing came with a lot of accessories. Look at this. And you like mount the selfie stick on here. Mount it like that, which is pretty cool. Okay, I dig it. And this looks to be the drone care kit. Looks to be like to clean it and everything like that. The lens and all that. Wow. This definitely came with a lot of pretty cool tools. Oh, this is to like to mount it on your car. Do some extreme car stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's over here. Looks to be like a clip of some sort. And we'll get into more of, I'll put some more videos of what all these stuff is for. Just want to get a little gist of it. Don't know what the camera is for, but pretty cool. All right, we got the protection film combo. All right, wow, it actually came with a screen protector and all that stuff. Let's go. Wow, I gotta put some stuff on it. Okay. What's this? The charging station. Nice. Oh, almost knocked down the camera. So far, my birthday is amazing with this wonderful gift and everything. Jeez, cannot wait to test these out. Get some footage. A lot of stuff here. Make that. Oh, nice. Oh, it actually comes with the charging case. 2 batteries, and I'm guessing 1 battery's in the DJI OSMO Action. Where's the thing? Didn't come with the USB kit? Interesting. Might probably be in the package. But here it is. Wow. DJI OSMO Action. Dual screen, 4K HDR, 11 meters waterproof, 4K 60p frames per second, 1080p. And it comes what's in the box, the DJI OSMO Action, a battery, USB Type-C cable, quick release base, flat adhesive mount, locking screw, battery case, and curved adhesive mount. Like, this is better than Christmas. Nice. Gotta figure out how to open this. Okay. Oh, nice. Let's go. Wow. Oh, this looks to be a case already. Ah, KKK. It was already in a case. Nice. Look how small it is. Jeez. Pretty sick. Don't need this, don't need this. No. Packaging. No. Form for more information. Got the manual and all that stuff. The adhesive. The extra battery. So I got 3 batteries. And the USB and the locking screw. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Cannot wait to start this up. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. So you'll have a better view and some clips of what the OSMO Action can do. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen.